What you are about to hear is not a machine. It is a bird. Meet the lyrebird. It has the most complex vocal cords on the planet. To attract a mate, it doesn't just sing. It memorizes and perfectly mimics almost any sound it hears in the forest. From the click of a camera shutter to a blaring car alarm, and even the terrifying roar of a chainsaw cutting down its own trees. It is a living, breathing tape recorder. Subscribe to Paws and Spores for more unbelievable wildlife secrets.